Assalamu alaikum children, how are you? Did you do the comprehension verbal yesterday? And you made notes? Very good. Today we're having you write about it. Remember what we were talking about yesterday? Today we're going to recap so that you can then write about it. So, who can tell me? What were the good things that Rumi's mother told her to do? Yes, one by one. Very good. She should take care of different things when she will grow up. So, take care of what? What take care of what? Take care of herself. Good. Her belongings. Very good. Very good. Excellent. जिसके वो अब बड़ी हो रही है तो वो अपनी चीज़ें खुद संभाल सकती हैं रूमी. अपनी चीज़ें ज़रूरी नहीं है इधर उधर फेंक दें और मम्मी उठा के खुद संभाल के रखें. और क्या था? Very good. Take care of her belongings. Belongings में क्या है? Yes. अपने कपड़े तय करके खुद अलमारी में रख लें. मामा ने धो दिए, आप तय कर लें, रख लें अलमारी में. What else? Fold your clothes, put them in the cupboard. Yes. What else? Clean your room, make your bed. Yes. थोड़ा बहुत तो कर सकते हैं ना. बिस्तर पिलो को ऐसे ऐसे फ्लफ अप किया, झाड़ दिया. आपको पता है आपको सोने से पहले बिस्तर झाड़ना चाहिए. ये सुन्नत है. नहीं करते, भूल जाते हैं. चले आज से पक्का याद कर लें कि सोने से पहले बिस्तर झाड़ लें. ये सुन्नत है. Okay? Now, what else good things did Rumi's mummy say? Good. Well done. She told Rumi how to do things. Very good. Such as? Good. Perhaps she made, yes, very good. She can make sandwiches. What else? Very good. ये तो इसमें है भी नहीं और आप बता रही हैं. Very good. Give yourself a clap. Well done. Listen to what your friend said. Rumi की मम्मी ने ये भी कहा हो कि when people come to our house, you may go and ask them would they like to have cold drink or tea and coffee, and then go in the kitchen and try and make something. If it's a cold drink, bring that. Tea, ask mummy, she'll make it, and put out the biscuits or whatever. Things like that. Helping around the house. Very good. I like that idea. Now, what else did they do together? Spend time. Doing what? Playing games. And what games? Do you play games with anyone? Who do you play games with? Your family. What do you play? Ludo. Very good. What else? Good. Good. Well done. Carom. That's a nice game as well. So she played games. What else did she do? They cooked dishes. Very good. What sort of dishes? Simple ones. So Rumi can do like a nice salad lunch. Good. What else? Brilliant. Good. Well done. So nice little salads, sandwiches, things like that. Now, what was the best thing that they really enjoyed? Who can remember? Good. Learning about Islamic stories. Good. Islamic stories, perhaps Islamic history Mummy told her about. Good. What else? Exactly. Very good. Well done. Your mummy tells you stories? Islamic stories मामा भी आपको सुनाती हैं? Very good. कल क्या सुना था आपने? Very nice. हज़रत नूह अलैहिस्सलाम का किस्सा मामा ने सुनाया. Very good. That's nice. Okay. Now, what was Rumi's mummy afraid of? किसी चीज़ से वो डरती थी. आप भी डरते हैं? आप क्या करते हैं? मामा का हाथ पकड़ते हैं. चलो कोई बात नहीं. So you are also scared of the escalator, which goes up and down. आपकी दादी भी डरती हैं. हाँ, बाज़ लोग डर जाते हैं उससे. It's okay. उनका हाथ पकड़ लें, brave उनसे कहें बन जाएं, and they can go. Good. Now, free time जब होता है तो रूमी और उनकी मामा क्या करती थी? Good. Well done. They used to spend time together. हंसना बोलना, शायद स्कूल की सारी बातें शेयर करती हो रूमी मामा से, अपनी अच्छी फ्रेंड्स की बातें. कोई जोक हो गया स्कूल में वो बता दिया, कोई प्रॉब्लम हुआ वो बता दिया, मामा से एडवाइस ले ली, सजेशन ले ली. मामा इसमें भी तो हेल्प आउट करती हैं. That's good. So, this is what I want you to do. Alright? I've given you the ideas again, and in fact, you've recapped them with me. Now, if we had to think of a new name for the chapter, what name would you give it? My mum, my friend. Very good. What else? कोई और? Very good. My mother is my friend. तो इन्होंने अभी बताया था. Oh, best friend. Okay, best friend. My mother's my best friend. Any other? Nice. Any other? No? All right. So, good. Well done. Now, I want to ask you, what 3 things do you like about your mother? Okay, you tell me first. You like her cooking. Very good. What else? You like the way she sits? Oh, sorry, decorates the house. Good. Her cooking, the way she decorates the house, and the way she helps you. Very good. Yes, what do you like? She's very understanding, loving, good, and she takes you out everywhere. That's good. Okay, so children, you are going to write all these answers, okay, and send them to your teacher as a screenshot. Allah Hafiz.